Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C53 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen. Do so once again, and this will extend the list of toggles. And on one of the pages we should have our screen recording toggle. For me it is on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It brings up this window right here, giving you a couple options with recording audio. You can record microphone, device audio, both, or obviously none if it's off. And then we also have the show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot whenever you are pressing the display to imitate where your finger was touching the display. You can select start, which will begin a countdown, and then begin recording. And you can open up any kind of applications right now. And there are apps that will block screen recordings. So let's see if we have Netflix. Nope, we don't. So anyway, I'm gonna stop it. So let's find the toggle once again, or this pop-up, select stop. And there we go. It's now automatically getting saved to your Photos application. Now going back to what I was saying with the Netflix, there are certain applications that have the ability to, for some reason, to block the screen recorder. So if you try to use it, what the result will be of you trying to do this is just a black screen. You will have a recording, it will have a sound, but it will have no image. And like I mentioned, one of those applications is Netflix, and other applications would be apps like bank apps. Anyway, let's find our screen recording in our Photos application by going into the library right over here, and then screenshots. Yep, it's in screenshots, as you can see right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.